we have gathered here to do some activities. And there is some speciality about the Monday. What is that speciality about Monday? You all know what is speciality about the Monday? Something special. What is the date? It is June 21st. We'll be celebrating it as International Yoga Day. You would have got the invitation also related to that, right? So good morning, students. So today we have gathered here in our school premises in order to organize that International Yoga Day celebration. It is always celebrated on June 21st. It will be celebrated on June 21st. What is the importance of yoga? What is yoga? The main purpose of the yoga is gives us the peace of our mind and our soul. And it nowadays scenario, they are teaching us so many asanas. They are teaching us so many asanas and so many things to overcome all our obstacles and problems. The breathing exercise through the asanas found that not the complete solution, but it reduces the corona affected patients, it seems. It increases our oxygen level, it seems. All these news we are hearing day to day. And is it very important for us? It is important for us to have all these asanas every day. When we begin a day in the morning with the asanas, the entire day will be in a peaceful manner. The mind will be relaxed. Especially the difference will be found the people who are practicing it daily. Whatever disturbance, whatever problem is coming, the inner soul, the peace in the inner heart will be quiet. They'll be able to withstand all the difficulties with strength. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Now I call upon Kala ma'am to share our views about yoga. Yes, Kala.
Happy to see you all. See you all morning. We are feeling very enthused to listen what we are going to do. Nothing dears, only your friends. Three among your friends are going to do yoga for you. Okay. So yoga is nothing but is the practicing helps in controlling an individual's mind, body, and soul. Yes. So exercises will help only the body, but we do yoga, it helps us mind also. How much ever we have stress in our mind, if we do yoga, it will feel free and we will do other works with great happiness. SDS. So it brings both physical and mental discipline in our to achieve what the goal we want to. If we do yoga, we can sit and we can able to read our things also in a proper way. Okay, yes. Ma'am, Shanla ma'am, shall we start with the asanas, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. First, we'll call upon Mayuka. Jaya ma'am, Mayuka is ready, ma'am?
She's ready.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. Yes. Yes. We are proud to introduce one of our student called Kadambari Mayuka, who is good in our yoga statics. From her, the yoga thing, she is able to improve her concentration level and she is shining in her studies and everything. Here she, basic yoga asanas, she will be performing for us. And we request all the students to follow it daily. Yes, Kadambari, you can start now.
Shri Gurabhyo Namaha. Hello everybody. So today is our International Yoga Day and today we are going to practice few asanas. So let's get started. So the first asana is Tadasana.
Children, please stand up. All children, please stand up. Thank you. You have to stretch your hand above near your ears and stand on your tiptoes by Inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Relax. Again, Tadasana. First, you have to stretch your two hands above near your ears and stand on your tiptoes. Stand on your tiptoes by inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Relax. This asana's name is Tadasana. What is this asana's name? Tadasana. Okay, you can go to next asana, second asana, Trigonasana. All are ready, dear? Trigonasana. Expand your legs a little wider. Expand your legs a little wider and stretch your hands and bend downward by one hand. And bend downward by one hand, touching the ground. And another above, pointing up to do it for 2 seconds. Relax. Then next side. Same like that, next side. This is called Trigonasana. Relax. Again, same asana. You should listen. This asana's name is Trigonasana. Start. Expand your legs a little wider and stretch your hand and bend downwards by one side, touching the ground. And another above, pointing up, and do it for 10 seconds. This is called Trigonasana. Yes, relax.
Yes, we request all the students to do it.
Next side also, you should do this. Same like that. Next side. Expand your legs a little wider and stretch your hand and bend downward by one hand, touching the ground. And another above, pointing up, and do it for 10 seconds. Relax. Position. Yes, this asana name is Trigonasana. It's very good for your health. You can do it regularly in the morning and evening too. Next one, third asana, Vrikshasana. This asana is called as some other name also, tree poses. Vrikshasana. Ready? All children ready, dear? Third asana, Vrikshasana. Stand straight, stand up in one leg, stand up in one leg, and try to balance and slowly join your hands together and focus on one point. This is Vrikshasana, tree poses. Relax. Again, same asana, Vrikshasana, it means three postures, like tree, right? Yes. Stand up in one leg and try to balance and slowly join your hands together and focus on one point. This asana name is Vrikshasana, tree poses. Balance your one hand, your whole body weight, balance on the one leg. Relax. So, children, this asana is also very good for your legs and all. Full body parts will it's very good for your all body parts. This asana's name is Vrikshasana. Another name is tree poses, like a tree. You should balance your all body parts in a one leg. Okay, this asana is tree pose. Okay, dear, we have to go to the next asana. Fourth asana, Siddhasana. Actually, this is the sit down sitting position. All the children, I request you to sit in a comfortable way. Please be seated. Sit in the floor. Okay, this is the sitting position. I request all the children, please sit like this. What she doing? Like that, you should sit. Sit down and relax for 1 minute. And now put your foot on another. See, put your foot on another and do Chin Mudra. See, this mudra is called Chin Mudra. That mudra is called Chin Mudra. And slowly inhale by your nose, inhale by nose and exhale with your mouth. Open your mouth and exhale. You should do see, inhale, exhale. Inhale your nose, exhale your mouth. Inhale by your nose and exhale with your mouth. Inhale your nose and exhale with your mouth. This is the meditation process. Actually, you have to do regularly this one. Your lungs will be very fine. If you do this regularly, means your lungs is clear. This asana's name is Siddhasana. Once again, she will do it from the beginning. This Siddhasana, how to sit, she will show you. See, sit down and relax for 1 minute. And now put your foot on another and do Chin Mudra. This mudra is called Chin Mudra. And slowly inhale by your nose and exhale with your mouth. Okay, relax. Relax for 1 second. Just close your eyes. Close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, rub your two hands. Keep on the face. Open your eyes. Then fifth asana, Vajrasana. It is also sitting position. We have to do it on sitting position. Sit on your knees and slowly sit on your heel and put chin mudra and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. This is the Vajrasana. This asana is very easy to do. Breathing exercise only. Just relax. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Manuka. Students, you should practice it every day. Now I call upon principal to give a speech about yoga and its importance.
Good morning, all of you. So, on behalf of the management of Narayana E Techno School, Madanathapuram, I welcome all of you for the Yoga Day program, which was conducted very successfully. So, in this regard, yoga nowadays it's very important in our day-to-day life activities, because while performing these types of asanas, both physically and mentally, we will be aware of all the things that is happening around us, and inner soul also will be in a very peaceful mood. So on this regard, for the International Yoga Day program, some of the asanas were performed. You should, all the students and the staff members, everybody should do this in a continuous being, because now in the COVID-19 situation also, certain types of asanas or yogas performance will be helpful to keep our body also some little bit warm, so that we'll be able to fight against this type of virus, and you should be in a position to overcome all sorts of difficulties. Apart from the health also, the physique or the particular point of contact or anything in the studies on the physical activities or the PT activities, what you do, everything plays a vital role. So here it was performed very well, and I thank really the student who performed well and all the staff members who coordinated well and made this program a grand gala success. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Added to this, we also have two tiny tots, first standard kids. They are able to perform few asanas. So I call Kala ma'am to call them.
Damini of class 1. Parents also willing to participate, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. All our parents are always give us the support.
Ma'am,
Madam, they can participate. They can participate.
Yes, yes. Just raise your hands, no, so that we can give co-host.
Damini, please raise your hand here.
We really thank our parents to extend your support always to us in all the situations. Whatever initiative we take, you are the first one who are giving us hands to.
Raise your hand here.
Yes, ma'am. I have given co-host, ma'am. Okay. Lakshman Dev.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Damini Bhattacharya.
Damini's. Ma'am, there is no name called Damini, ma'am.
Ma'am, they joined.
Prashtika.
I saw them.
You just, I'll just give you a host, ma'am, so that you can.
Damini. Atmika is there? Atmika?
Atmika?
Yes, ma'am. Atmika is there.
I can see Fatima. Yes, ma'am. Hatmika. Yes, Atmika.
Yes, Atmika.
Greet. Ma'am, unmute her, ma'am.
Atmika, you can unmute yourself, dear.
Yes, Atmika, you can introduce yourself and teach us all the lovely asanas what you're doing. Yes, ma'am. Damini is also there.
Damini came, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I can see her.
Damini,
Yes, you, Hatmika, you can start, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Shall we start?
Yes, 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 ma'am. Atmika can start.
Atmika, okay.
Hi, I'm Anika, first standard. I am going to Bhujankasana.
You will be Surya Namaskar. You will be, I'm going to do Surya Namaskar.
Next, I am going to 3 pose.
मैं बोल दूँ.
These Bhujankasana is back pain. 3 poses the neck pain. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. We'll surely follow because we teachers have lots of leg pains. They are standing, right? So I'll follow your asanas. Thank you so much. Next call upon Damini.
Please, Damini. Hi. बोलो मम्मा.
Hi,
Teacher बोलो.
I'm going to do
Start
Surya
the first sadhana asana.
Surya.
Surya Namaskar.
Surya.
Start now. Right? Now butterfly pose.
Now butterfly pose.
Quickly asana. I don't.
How I met, ma'am.
thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
It's really great.
Thank
Really
you.
great, ma'am. Thanks for your support. You have taught us few asanas which is very necessary to reduce our stress, which we really follow. Not only see all first standard students, you should follow these asanas and you can be brisk like Damini. Yes, your smile is also so cute, dear.
Ma'am, one more student, ma'am, Ranadeep, ma'am.
Ranadeep,
Ranadeep,
you
use your,
spotlight him, ma'am.
Ranadev, please raise your hand here. Ma'am, I given spotlight to Ranadev.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ranadeep, you can start your asanas, ma'am.
Ranadeep, your volume button is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to do Surya Namaskaras.
Pranamasan, Hastavrittanam, Padahasta, Asvasanchalanam, Bhujangasan, Ashtanga Namaskara, Bhujangasan, Parvatasan, Asvasanchalanam, Padahasta, Hastavrittanam, Pranamasan,
Thank you, everyone. And
Thank you, Ranadeep.
Thank
want
you.
to
ma'am.
tell something, ma'am?
What, ma'am? You want to add something?
No, ma'am. I want to tell something, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You can go ahead. You can share your views. Even your parents can share their views. No issues.
Okay, ma'am. If you do this Surya Namaskaras daily, ma'am, you can get some strength.
Yes. Thank you, dear. Thanks for your advice. We'll be following it daily. We are lots of stress nowadays. So we'll follow your instructions.
Okay,
Thanks for teaching us.
thank you, ma'am.